Hapadang kejingmi kijing dawa ban penrung kampurai ki Nonghikai SSA bat ban kentiu tulap 4%. Kejing yang kenhun menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 hak arfulai tri urisau arja arfusau kala rai ban penjelan Jakarta ki Nonghikai bekinyo Nonghikai haki school government LP UP lani secondary bat higher secondary school. Shushu kejingelang kenhun menteri kala menjur bagi Nonghikai SSA kim day ban palat ya kasaupusan Snem ban Ïakhun ya Eksam Rung hikai ban khot penlong da Sorkar jela laong ke Dr. Mezel Amprin ding do ke no ai ketin jog Sorkar MDA2. Kumban syukudau bagi dan ar kenhun ki Nonghikai SSA ki berdawa penurlong nak Sorkar jela ya ki jing dawa jongki kata ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association AMSSASTA ka berdawa kentiu tulap 4% ki Nonghikai bat ke Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSASA ka berdawa penrungkam ya ki Nonghikai.
So the cabinet has asked today for the implementation of the upper age limit for the serving SSA teacher for participation and recruitment for the government LP and the UP and the higher secondary up to the age of 45 years from now. So those who already appointed in the SSA with due process, they will be allowed to participate in the recruitment process up to the age of 45 years. Therefore, again, agar tanggal kesulitan cabinet kalau desura jangan SSA bicara buat jangan MTET pasca atau due process memang ni age ko mesti supreme mengolah tepat memang government school recruitment process tu but government sanction post tu apply kadang-kadang mesti supreme mengolah tentang apply kadang makro ni atau cabinet pasca. There are many SSA serving teachers who are already qualified and the MTET pass, but they are overage now. So therefore, just to give them room so that they can apply for their recruitment in the government LP, UP, and higher secondary. So we have decided that to give upper age limit extend up to 45 years. So those who are qualified, but they have to follow the due process. They have to apply, they have to be sit for the interview and all. So therefore, we just give them upper age level up to 45 years. That's all.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya